Welcome back guys on our YouTube channel. This is the Selling FX. In today's video we're going to be focusing on how to identify or see support and resistance levels. If you're new on our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell in order to be notified when we're gonna be uploading a new video like this. Without wasting time, let's go on our topic. Today's topic, we shall be focusing on how to identify support and resistance levels. Remember, support and resistance levels, these are the major market key levels which are being respected by many price action traders. Support and resistance, this is one of the most widely used concepts in trading. Approximately all price action traders depends to it. What do I mean here? Most of the traders, they focus on trading support and resistance because support and resistance levels are major market key levels. Without spotting support and resistance levels, you may not actually trade the forex market in an easy way. I myself, I believe in support and resistance level. Everyone seems to have their own idea on how you should measure support and resistance level. But today, I'm going to show you how to spot easily a support and resistance level. If you go in our charts, I will start by drawing our support level and resistance level. If you look at our support level, this is when sellers are exhausted in the market and being put on pressure by the buyers. Now, in the formation of sellers exhausting in the market, that means the buyers are gonna be taking the market in control. When we are at the support level, think of buying only. When we are at the resistance level, think of selling only. Now, let's continue. It's very important to note that the former support can become a new resistance and the former resistance becomes a support. Let me break this down for you. What do I mean here? If you look at our charts, a former resistance can be a support level when broken, and a support level can be a resistance level when broken. A simple example, if you look at this area which I'm going to highlight, this area, we see that this was a support level previously supported, but the pressure of the sellers were more than the pressure of the buyers in the market. So the price was forced to break this level to short down to the downside. Now, remember, this was our support level. This was our support level. Let me try to highlight this level. This was our support level. But due to the pressure of the sellers in the market was broken, or this level was broken to short down to the downside. Now, what does it mean? When the level is recently broken at the support level, now this becomes our resistance level. In the way that when the price breaks this level, remember this was a support level. Now, after the price breaking this level, this will act as a resistance level, a newly formed resistance. Why? The price has broken this support easy. Now, after breaking this support, we shall take another opportunity to get another support level, which is this. Now, after price breaking this support level, it will become a resistance level which will force the sellers to continue taking control in the market. In the same way, if we are at the resistance level, this resistance level can be broken and be turned into a support level. Let me give you also another example. If you look on our charts here, we were in a bit of uptrend. We were in a bit of an uptrend. So in this uptrend, this was our resistance level. I think all of you are seeing it. We were in a bit of uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. But the price broke this resistance level, came back, retested this resistance level, which was our newly formed support level. Why is it called a support level? Buyers were many in the market and had to break this resistance level, came back, retested this level, and this was a newly formed support level. Why? The price broke the resistance level, period. Now, if this major market key level was broken, now it is no longer a resistance level, it becomes a support level. I think, guys, we have understood that. Let's continue. SR levels, support and resistance levels, are the most important aspect in the price action trading style. Now, if you look at the price action trading style, this is where traders focus on how to predict the market using the market structure. Price action traders, we mostly focus on how the market is trending. We follow the market and we trade with the trend. Simple. When the market is moving up, the highest point reached before pulling back is called a resistance. Let me go back to our charts. Now, if you see this level, this is our resistance level. Now, this resistance level, remember here in our notes, it was said that when the market is moving up, the highest point reached before pulling back is a resistance level. Now, this is our highest point. This is our highest point. We also have this highest point. Why is it our highest point? The market had to push up, reached this level. Let me also highlight it. Reached this level, which was a resistance level. It had to push back to the downside. Now, after pushing back to the downside, this was our resistance level. Our resistance level was formed. Let's continue. And if the market is moving down, the lowest point reached before pulling down, it's called a resistance level. It's called a support level. Now, if you go back to our charts, the market pushing down before making a pullback, going back to the resistance level, this is called our support level. What am I meaning here? The market moving from the highest point, this is our highest point, shooting down to the lowest point. That means the market is moving from the highest point, which is our resistance level, moving down to the lowest point, which is our support level. Let's continue. The market will move up or down, forming a zigzag and bouncing off at certain levels. Let me show it to you here in our charts. The market will move in a zigzag style. This is a form of a zigzag style. I think you can see it. But in this formation of a zigzag style, the market will bounce off at a certain level or certain levels. Bouncing off at certain levels, these are our major market key levels, the support and resistance levels. Now, in the formation of the market, bouncing on these levels, which means whenever the market bounces on a level, that means it has approached either a resistance level or a support level. Now, after approaching this level, either the buyers will jump in the market or the sellers will jump in the market. Now, in the formation of forming a zigzag style, the market, whenever it reaches a certain level, it will respect it. Either break it or that level will hold strong and the market will shut down or will go long. Let's continue. Let's just take a look at the basics first. But what is support and resistance? You will ask yourself. Now, like I said, I'll be explaining too much with pictures and use real charts and a few drawings. Like I have been explaining to you, I was trying to use some of my real charts to show you how to spot support and resistance levels. Now, let me first delete all this. Now I'm going to show you how to spot or draw these levels in a simple way. Now, whenever you see market turning, we have a turning point. So this will be our market key level. Bring your horizontal line, place it there. Now we're going to look for another level. I think you can see the market turning many times on this level. Now this will be another market key level. We are trying to spot these levels together. Let us look for another level. We are trying to spot our resistance level and support levels. We also have this level. Why? We had this first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch. So this level holds strong for a long period. So it's considered as our turning point of the market. We also have this level. I think you can also see it. We had first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch. So this was the fake out. Now, we have already spotted our support and resistance levels. We also, but this is a minor level. So, next step, we are going to highlight or draw these support and resistance levels in order to be not confused. That is our first level, which is our resistance level. This is our second level. This is our third level. And this is our fourth level. Now, we have already drawn our support and resistance level in an easy way. It just took us, guys, 3 minutes to observe our resistance and support level. Now, we are going to identify them in a simpler way. Where the price was supported at the lowest point, as we said in our notes, this becomes our support level. This is our support level. So this is our support level. This is also our support level. This is also our support level. Now, where the market was previously supported at the highest point, this becomes our resistance level. We're gonna indicate it resistance level. So this is our resistance level. So we have already identified our support and resistance level. At the highest point of the market, this is our resistance level. at the lowest point of the market, this is our support level. Let's continue with our notes. Now here I have a little bit illustration of a support and resistance levels. As you see, I have two horizontal lines, the upside one and the downside one. Now at the resistance level of the upside horizontal line, this is our resistance level and this is our support level. If we are at the resistance level, we sell. If we are at the support level, we buy. We also have this peak. It's also in sort of like an uptrend. This is our resistance level. This is our support level. So let's go and jump into our real charts of today, and you get a most clear picture to easily identify support and resistance levels, guys. So I spotted these areas. So whenever you see an arrow of a rectangle, it is a rectangle structure, all these are our support levels. Prices were previously supported here. That's why I indicated it as a support level, support level, support level, support level, support level. And these areas at the highest point of the market, all these are our resistance level. We also have this. It's also our resistance level. We also have this. It's also our resistance level. Now, these levels are easily drawn or identified in the easiest way I have shown you like 5 minutes ago in this video. They are easily drawn by getting turning points, mostly respected turning points of the market.
Thanks so much for watching our videos of today, and if you have not yet subscribed to our Silent Effects channel, go on and hit this bell or subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified at any time when we be releasing a new episode like this. See you to the next episode. Peace.